Good afternoon, country people them. We glad for meet up una for this side for Equinox Story House. PG News debate for Saturday. Sabi say this Saturday we the enter for inside Tori the way don't dey happen for inside the week. And na so too we go talk plenty other chapter them for Tori for this side for Equinox Story House. Inside PG News debate we go take una we talk palava for big day for teacher we just finish. Sabi say na Saturday we pass we teacher them glad them big day. How the day Ibiwaka we go talk on top that chapter with Bamenda and condition them for teacher them inside we country. Now so too we go take on we talk palava for 18, we talk palava too for slaughterhouse on Bangam. We slaughter people then say they don't deny say they so they no go use the slaughterhouse for seeker say waiting say it dey for on top hill where they no fit do no nothing. Inside Tori too for this afternoon we go try for talk on top this chapter for Norwest and Southwest. Palava for new Amber Boy them where they be showy inside the week for that side so for Southwest where they come out for Njan division. They be dey them 10 where they be showing for governor for that side so for Southwest Bernard Okalia Bilai. All the one them so plus other one now we'll go talk inside Tori so for this side for Equinox Tori House plus even case for court. Plenty thing that they will go try for talk inside. And Sabi said this afternoon we get two people them as we a controversial never happen. We get Dr. Ibrahim. He come out now right for Ezeka or for a day for Kamitawi for this side. Dr. Ibrahim, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mr. Ambassador.
Yes, how Ezeka? Maybe sorry, Edea. How it is? I will say Ezeka and Edea.
Now what the sense? Well, for the moment, Edea they fine, but the problem being that their roadway big.
The same problem for inside country.
Inside country, and they don't change their big man. The person will be there as a big minor still there again. They don't change it.
All right, and Oga Ajang Divine too. Now to get them for this side so for talk and not Tori. Oga Ajang, I call you big for sick as a teacher. Una be glad on a big day Saturday we pass. Good afternoon.
Afternoon, Ambassador. Our day be pass fine. So it's even though teacher did face many problem, I glad say I be for here today for talk. In the topic a concerned teacher.
Yes, and we go talk true on top palava for teacher them with the here as on a be glad on a big day for on Saturday. Teacher the day where they don't start new academic year this year where they never also get paid, particularly the one them for private school for that side. So for Limbe, particular school we never pay teacher them even as we school year it don't start. We go surely talk that one too as so talk palava for teachers day. Before we enter for Tori proper, maybe we'll start with small corner side them for that side. So for Kumba for Lateni Street as well here. Yesterday, some people there with a gun, they enter for some school. They take a head teacher for inside the school, some school for that side for Lateni Street as well here. And even some plea madam where they plea madam say, we hear say Ijo born, they give picking Bobby. They take that woman and he picking with the Bobby plus one other teacher picking for school. So just now, we never get any ideas. Sorry, they carry these people them go with them for that side for Lateni Street for inside Kumba. Sabi say as well they thief the teacher then go hide them for side for Kumba, for side for Bamenda. We did talk this palava for St. Joseph Catholic School for that side. So for Bamenda where we hear say teacher the way they be thief them for Thursday or Tuesday inside the week. They don't leave them. Some boy they be enter campus, enter for school place, carry teacher them after we they shoot gun and they be carry some teacher them. We hear say after small money if it be come out now after we they left at this teacher them for that side. So for St. Joseph College now St. Joseph School for that side. So for Cathedral now for Bamenda where this one it happen and this one it happen with National Man-to-Man talk. With this also talk, it never finish with this arrangement happen and plenty people they pray say first week after this National Man-to-Man talk, thing they go quiet small. Doctor.
Yes, thank you very much, Mr. Ambassador. All we will remember say because our first thank director for Equinox for work where it work because through by work it don't make plenty thing to change for this country. Because every time we cry about dialogue for here and that dialogue we don't come, they don't put them for table with the talk. So the only thing way I get for talk as advice I be say as they still wait for month of November how way the thing go pass for National Assembly. For big hands say brothers and sisters them may they first see how a thing will be first before the action fee can be. If teacher it then for teach picking them. For talk say may tomorrow may thing them be fine. But if they pick them again my brother, I beg all things we want a peace for inside the country. So when we they take teacher then against who, let me say we don't know which way we do now. All things now we talk for that, Mr. Ambassador.
Okay, Dr. Ibrahim Ogajan, this one it concern you. We don't talk Tuesday. They be carry some teacher them for some school for Birmingham. We the hear say they don't leave that teacher them. But after we some more money be change hand. And yesterday Friday for Kumba, now another set for teacher them. One day we they give Bobby for a picking where they can carry plus some school picking and the head teacher for that school. So now we never fit for here. Now when you hear the two way this also pass, plenty people they don't check say as we man to man talk be pass for Yawende 1 week now. Monday way be start things they go change, but they like say things them there's also they go some kind of way.
Why, Ambassador, when it concern we so are they over here bad? Because if they restrict to men teacher them for this moment, where will be glasses sometimes school they don't start go for some place, it be very painful for sick as say teacher them that they hold this nation. You know if you do nothing, you know if you succeed for doing anything for this world where you no go school. So when the glass or the plate say, may they know the worry teacher them. People they keep teacher them, of course, pikin way woman way born where they still feed breastfeed the pikin. You know find say may they torment teacher them. People then they where they get the problem them. Where they be so for follow them, they need to follow them, they follow teacher them. And they pray and they plead for that boy then say, may they know the worry teacher, may they leave pikin they go school. Or will be for say me pikin they go school. If the pikin they not go school tomorrow, how the nation will be? If they want say my country change and people they know no book, now who they will change the country?
Yes, and another
yes, I want to talk something for Atam for which where my brother don't talk. You know say after everything, teacher them be very important. And with the fight say my country change. And when the country go change now who they now go handle that country if we not teach speaking them. For me, I be plead for blood that them say they for even leave me school they go so that they follow some other thing because school be very very important. If now always you don't tomorrow that country change now will take a long time again for say we teach picking away they will can't replace it because we go now go and that picking all these things will they fight today will they find out for picking them tomorrow. So where we will go now who they now go take over. Now I'm say we get for still go find some other different people for different side maybe they can't take over or now who they will can't take over if we not teach that picking them.
See the way they happen for South Africa today. Now because now you see how I fight the day last time because the foreigner now they occupy big post them for day. Who no one time say that kind of thing happen for our country with the back.
All right, and another small corner side before we enter for image for today now for inside Kumba still where we hear say some Mami Pikin it jump enter for inside well it be there now for that side for Bamileke Street for Kumba where the Mami Pikin where the give Bobby to for Pikin it jump kill himself. So now population never fit for talk wait till we really pass where that Mami Pikin it go jump for kill himself for that side so for inside that Kumba. That one you go talk say na wish or na say na two be don be.
Ambassador, I don't know to where feed disturb man where the chop fish meat it is sweet for him more. They go jump for inside well. Whether na which kind problem you get that any problem get solution. For jump for inside well no na the solution. Now it don't lost his life. Family they cry. Whether na sell and they sell it, but no na the best time way there for man for take and die. So we no know to where feed the disturbed person for the world. Then you go kill yourself.
Now the Pekin to don't leave and for back or the Pekin the see so Bobby. How that one go manage be doctor?
Well, Mr. Ambassador, you know how this war be. I be sure say God will not make as anybody will pass before die. That one will be my own way get for pass die, and that one will be very bad way for pass die. Even I be sure say that they ever talk say no take decision when you vex. Any decision where you don't take when you vex, it be a wrong one. So when we then wait till they vex you, she don't fall down. You cool down your heart. You look am because normally you be first person forget that kind of problem and you know being a last person forget that kind of problem. But if this kind one be suitable person go jump again for and say die because say this just example Mr. Ambassador one and the same thing on pass on my village one mommy for Bangula you go for some money take petrol for a picking throw away for his skin take matches burn his skin for day. He died because say your brother they not take care for you, your picking they not take care for you. It be terrible, and we know for with tradition where that kind of thing they hang, it just be like person where don't go hang. They take you go to win and ride very far. So I repeat say all this kind of situation, so it not be good. It not be good.
All right, we don't close chapter. That one na just normal talk for corner team wey I see am this week as well the enter for inside. But inside Tori Sese, we don't talk, so we go turn back for on top this palava for big day for teacher. We go talk on top this one with image for Bamenda. That one a private school for inside Bamenda with grass. It don't cover that all. Now just for Sika waiting for Sika this palava with the worry northwest and southwest. School it no happen again for inside that primary school. And just for sabi say for Bamenda, according to Tori we enter for we EM, at least 27 teacher them they don't suffer for Sika this palava for northwest and southwest, and plenty school them. Some school they dey sote now, one day they dey for zone them way it dey so control. You know they never fit for common for them. Big day for teacher will be never been from Gando ground for Bamenda. It pass now for inside delegation. This time just so tell we say number them for teacher they don't small. So on top that one now we make them plenty of the teacher them they no come out, plenty picking them just now they did learn book now for inside house and school them grass it don't cover them, plenty of them. We don't talk and plenty time, and we sabi say plenty area the day where they so for Sika say security no day, school no dey pass. Now for inside town where plenty school then they pass. Ogajan, I go start with you this palava for teacher them. You there for Douala, you be teacher, but your combi there they dey for outside northwest and southwest, plenty of them. Some they don't lose their work for Sika say they be there private side. Some way they do government school with security no dey them too, they don't run come out. Now when you look as your teacher they suffer, we hear say more than 7 or 8 teacher they die for Bamenda E1 only since this palava start.
Yes, I don't know where they define and be behind teacher them. I don't really know, because even now when any kind of problem they know for the disturb teacher, but I will start for blame now government, because government minimize teacher them. They not consider teacher them for Cameroon like anything. They not feel if policeman and teacher they get problem, they will solve policeman and or uniform man as a whole. They will solve the problem first, leave teacher alone. See what happen for Bafusan where military man go beat teacher for class, say because they don't punish the pikin. Obi know say government will take action for that matter. They not talking because teacher they not been the last people them for this country. Now why that? If you talk say be teacher, normally they consider you first. They need to pay them fine. Second, they not consider their work as anything. But for minister where they dey for Yaoundé today, before they will be that minister, they be go school and not enough day where if you do am for this world. Even thief man before you go thief, he must read name for bank. For no sin at the bank that if they no be go school, they know for it. So people they torment teacher them. They make teacher they feel discouraged. And you don't see the population of teacher the way they don't flow for the Douala now because of that anglophone problem. It been a sad news. It been a sad news.
All right, Dr. Ibrahim. All we as we Oga Jan don't talk. He be na teacher teach me before they talk. Na teacher to teach you for do what they do. Now, na teacher then too they suffer.
Yes, Mr. Ambassador. Before you want be teacher, na teacher teach you. Before you want be president of the republic, na teacher teach you. Even doctor, na teacher teach you. And you don't just show some example for this country. Say teacher they not be na people where they get from this mindset. Because this problem, that way teacher they be vexed now start the problem with lawyer them. It don't can be up to this level. They be minimize the problem. They not be taken into any other thing and see what you don't can be today. And up to today, so teacher they still feel the problem because now teacher they want go back now for go teach the picking them. They also take them. Even teacher they now for nowhere so the worker the work anyhow because when they see issue they feel still take it either from Kuma they feel still take it. So they want to go now for government. May they know that really say teachers and people where they be very, very important for this country. For me, therefore, take two people that for the country, they be very important. Now, teachers and doctor them. Not because I be doctor. I did talk to one be clear because doctor they bring back your health, your life. Then teacher them, that is it build you up. So government get for take very serious case now for this problem now. Then now go as now a day for Bamenda. Look at how many teachers the way don't die for this problem. Look at this situation now. Even when teacher don't hear now say at least 4 students want go for school for go teach, they can't take it. Go with them. So they go spend before they take it back. Now you will be first talk say I beg my brother them. Teachers then they now for say make country big tomorrow. For me, they know for picking take teacher them. May they look side where they get for look, leave teacher them free. May they do their work where they get for do them. Even this teachers day where they be go march now for upstation. That ones I know look fine because even that one are contain that is condemn government for that one. No because say they will go march only for upstation for show say teacher they don't be march for Bamida all this and that. At least if all the thing they pass now for upstation, that means say all thing not they fine. That means say again for pass for all other places them. May we sure either for Babisi, for Bamanka, for Ndop, all this and that. May we know say all thing they pass. But if it be now only for upstation, now what you will justify for sure say now where na teacher they know that
Cameroon no they fine. We say we know anything where they pretend for sham for TV. You know, we know say na lie. Think then where they have teacher it dey like candle where it light itself. It consume itself, they give life to other. But here for Cameroon, go for Ghana, the most important people there they respect and now for that country na teacher them. For here, now uniform people there, now they get Cameroon. How you know if you write police, gendarme, custom, army, where you no go school, but yet if teacher they talk say to a tueki, you be na who? If they talk to you, they talk. So make Cameroon. You see how many teachers they do for house where they write exam. They say where they still with integration in thousands of them. But how many recruitment they make for every year? I mean Cameroon being a state where they train military, but they need a look teacher. Now they make the standard of education for Cameroon instead they fall because government they contribute for same they reduce teacher their value.
No, not for God that talk which way talk not true because I get some person where seeing as he don't complete teacher training school, he there for compound for us up to today. Finally the person die, but where they never integrate. Now so the pack and the school then they where they lack of teacher them. I don't know why government they really minimize teacher them. So I the big one for government, especially for minister for education say this times around.
They plenty minister them. They want for university,
basic education,
for college, they want for primary.
They want for primary school. Now you are they talk directly. So I beg say this time around because they don't open some teacher training school for a day. They don't ask many people them for can't register go. They not feel go because they feel discouraged. They will go now go register pass go. She don't make 5 years, 6 years. But when they never even recruit them, it be normal.
You can't imagine the common for ENS. You sit up for house for 2 years. Where they teach, they need to pay you. But you know police, gendarme, army. Where you na complete exam, it start sometimes don't start building house. Where you never start taking your salary. Wait, how Cameroon government they look teacher them? How did they look teacher? That mean they consider teacher and say now no people there.
No, be sure say this time around as this problem don't be for northwest and southwest. This time around
integration will happen.
Yes, sometimes integration.
So
this
integrate that 12,000 teacher the way they did for house.
We sabi say so for sake this palaver for northwest and southwest they be authorizing me the right special exam for ENAM for common law side 119. Sabi say some common law people they so common where they talk say they never put them for inside.
Well, that one
they never integrate them or no na say na all man be get for get integrate the 119 be concern all them but mostly they be talk say this common law people them they be get for put them inside but a result come out none of them know they and within the same thing they with the teacher them.
Now the reason that we would wait for November for see whether they go appeal put that. Of course I know say sometime for November Parliament they go appeal for inside with law but sometimes they not take them in consideration because we get plenty things there for inside with law but we they not ever take them for constitution but sometimes this time around as it be been the whole world, the whole Cameroon be participate for this dialogue. Sometimes plenty things they could change.
All right. We will cut chapter for teacher. We no get teacher only one for talk. But before we come out again with the talks here, number 3 weeks or maybe now already 1 month something where school is start. So, some school they already go on for limbe, but so now they never pay the teacher them and the teacher then they frown their face. Well, I don't talk maybe on Monday the school in name we will surely call the school so that they go try for see how they go look at that teacher them. For saying that the teacher they give sense for that picking them. We go take on enter for different chapter just now. Country people them also enter for inside this auditorium. We go take on go now so just for side where they call them say waiting office for near them. Sabi say na for that side say with this so the head boy for inside near them office for Douala here. He cash some boy them. They be them 3 where they be cash them where they so their work now for the thief people them for inside place where they call them say Bonabe Bonaberi and Bonamusadi. No be only them, but apart from the way they cash they cash even their work cargo them. Now it means everything. They cash a small gun them, automatic pistol them. When I will they use and broke enter for inside people them house for that side where they call them say a Bonaberi and Bonamusadi and Sabi say at the operation for near them come after we plenty people them they be don't go keep complain for near them say they so boy them they don't come out plenty where they did come thief inside the house. So one them they did catch them now only for road so they be show we this boy them inside this week where it just finished. Big question I go ask doctor this kind of gun the way they see who side they get now they say they move money buy or now the two of the see for film way thief boy them or group head boy for the group thief group it go higher they gun them so for this uniform people them.
Thank you, Mr. Ambassador. Now, question for Askam. Really, where you see this gun that you feel say now would they gun that? Where you see that gun? Who did they say that gun for that boy then? At least more leave for Kim blindfold people their eyes. So if big people that they go stand, they take the boy then they look at this gun. If you look the gun, you know say they want a gun for who them. For true speaking. So more leave and for became blindfold people they take gun, they send boys and they go operate, come back, we can give them money. Then with it. For me, serious investigation get for take place to take this boy then really for me forgive them for send them for prison no matter the solution. For me it get for be a serious investigation so they know whose side they don't get the gun. Because when they will know whose side they don't get the gun, they will really know what way they get for do by that time. Because for take them send them for prison, that means they don't cancel everything don't lost. Because now people where they send them, they pay and not been and say me they send them for prison. After that, me they send lawyer. After that, me they defend them, they come out. But for me, I want to make government show his own capacity for them and make a serious investigation for them. Know who side that gun don't come out. When they will know who side that gun don't come out, they will know who that they send that boy there. And other people they know where they get for take them. Now what did that fit talk about?
Now, Oga Jan, plenty time on the even time they so go see all these things the way they show them, show to people them. Plenty of the head boy them, maybe the head boy for uniform they complain. Say even as they catch them, they go live and small time, or that come up for up, say me they left them, all that kind of thing. And so they make some of them when they catch one time, they want kill them. Now, when you see this kind of situation, all day with the show them, all day with the show them, and the kind of gun where they get them. Now, how much money they don't make them for buy that kind of gun? Sabi say gun it's here plenty.
Yes, Ambassador. First, so anyhow, no day for Douala Yawa, know where they sell gun. If you see that boy, then so today, next year you will still see them for quarter. Even after 6 months, you will still see them for quarter. That gun then a very expensive gun then where you know say if you not get person where they give you that gun, you not forget that kind of gun. Not at all. Or not that one where they take and kill monkey them for bush. Now gun then that. And that gun the way they say and so they get mark. No, now any kind of name. It be like that kind now gun where uniform people then say they use them. Then now
the silencer.
Yeah, for that boy they get that kind of gun. That means say some man day where they supply them that gun. The question I say I don't clap for near people the way they don't hold them. But next now which step they will take them. Yes. They will talk say they don't open an investigation. Investigation for Cameroon get key where they open them. They not get key where they lock them. Once they don't open them, you know the year day where they don't finish them. Now the thing that way they worry with. This particular boy then so before they will carry them with that go, you know how many life where they don't lost them? You know how many thief where they don't thief? So if they decide them so they go prison after they make even 5 years if for cool. But this particular boy them within 6 months, 3 months you still see them outside again. So being I say with the act na film as we show them so.
All right.
And then the reason that time they will catch him, you see someone one active man they wrong with the first, they do and so because you know say after tomorrow you want to see the very man for outside you can't talk say maybe I see na me this for you before where you be the nang me that day. So now all this kind of thing and so the be so.
All right, we go take now. We enter for inside the Mongo division. Just now we go talk now on top a different chapter. We left Palava for thief. We enter for inside this Palava for a slaughterhouse now for that side. So from Banga country people them Sabi say for inside this arraignment as soon as Sabi Banga people they get slaughterhouse through. But on top this Palava for slaughterhouse now the new house that where they build them for them for people them from Banga side and this slaughterhouse now modern and a clean we make and way if they keep beef for that side normal beef you know go get a dirty for his skin but they don't abandon the place where mayor he build them since for Sika Palava say waiting water you know day for up there they say water no they come for up there dey for dry season according to wetin mayor e talk. But the population for that side don talk say side wey dey even build the slaughterhouse e dey na for on top hill wey make am when they kill beef, blood for beef, e go meet up people there wey dey for corner. So all that excuse them na wey dey give am as so e dey, so they don't deny say they no dey use the slaughterhouse wey na council sef e don join money for bill am. Just now people there dey kill beef for Banga, they don decide for go na for the old slaughterhouse. Make we take una show the old slaughterhouse. The new one e dey na for inside grass and wey they no dey gree for use am, but the old one na for the way a population do instead decide for go for use am for inside place wey they call am same Banga na inside the old slaughterhouse. We go take una enter for the old slaughterhouse wey dey so people them from Banga they don't decide for the use am, wey instead they get new one. And according to them for this old slaughterhouse na place wey water dey. The only problem na say the road e no dey. Say if they for ask them, if mayor for even ask them before, they be one go build that one for up there. Therefore this back say may they use that money fix the old one, then open road so that when they keep beef they go fit for carry beef go live am for road or motor to go enter. But just now as so they no be ask them side way they check say if for do before they make am for up there. The only problem that they beg now na say may they can open the roads, then they fix the one so that the fish also continue for keep beef. The one e no get no problem for sick as say e no do water or dirty or the blood wey come out for the beef e no go pass for any man in front of. Now Oga John na this palava good we fit talk say the mayor for Mbanga e don do a better thing, but the big problem na say e no act. At least as I be say when you want do something you must meet up people them for ground. You ask them, he go build a slaughterhouse as well they blame me on top hill and corner the hill. People they shit on when they keep beef, blood they come out and pass up their house.
Yes, sir. So I think they were used to talk and say don't do right thing for a wrong time. They don't build a good slaughterhouse but for a wrong place. Anything where you want to do and where concern people. Now why they talk saying a mayor they know their village, they know their territory. Or sometimes when a man from Banga be mayor, we don't know their land. Sometimes we know for now any man can be mayor for any place. If mayor be asked and say for side, may they show his side where if he build this slaughterhouse. I'm not sure say the people from Banga they be the face the kind problem where they face and so. See the house now it be well, but they need to use the house. Then it be like how we don't throw away. You don't buy something where you know the user.
All right, Dr. Ibrahim, na fine idea say first slaughterhouse e dey.
No, first of all, na fine idea say slaughterhouse be, but thing we dey if we look and find that place they don't build that house, it shows say na some person in land way they don't see sounds by trunk for build that place, because normally if they want build place like that one, people where they dey for the place they work, they get for consult them as they say okay now we want for do this. Example, if they come from una village they want build school, they first consult with them for village say now which place we wanna figure and for which some build this school. When I go show better place they get for build school. They say as people where they do the slaughterhouse they begin for consult them say more now we want for make wanna be fine because we don't see say when they suffer for that place plenty. Now which place that we feed you and for wanna be fine. They for show them place where they begin for doing or they for even build for that place, modify that place where they dey build and fine. You know we build and say may they go build and right for up on top hill. And if you look and find for on top that hill, now some man land that way they don't go already see them, so they can build and for there. You want to talk the talk
now just so they suffer for climb hill all day and they more than 1 kilometer for service slaughterhouse for reach quota.
Voila.
So now the thing that they be talk so maybe if mayor of BBB can meet up them and then they keep the beef, ask them, therefore talk say better that money use and fix the old one.
Voila.
Open roads.
Open road. Then for say me go build and for on top hill. You see the now you are the
power.
You power. With the power and when you see the power being I say that land for up there it been as some person in land where they don't see some by force go build that place for them. Nothing that way they.
Okay, we go left this palaver from Banga people them for their slaughterhouse. We pray as a mayor, he go try for hear the population, for try for do something so that things they go work out fine. We go enter for different chapter just now for this side. So for Equinox Story House, week where we just finish and two, it be then a small week will be hot for this side. So for inside the Equinox, for inside Douala, and we sabi say this palaver. Now for Sika say people them for Bepanda, they be vex vex plenty on top palava say wetin dem no be get light for 2 weeks, and sabi say a military uniform people dem dey one dey intervene ketu dem wey dey intervene wey commissioner Mefire Sese be the head boy. Now the Sese dey be come for come see as wey dey go open road for that side, so for Bepanda sabi say be dey na palava wey dey be don lock road. E be dey on Thursday wey dey block road for see say dem no get light now, so for more than 2 weeks for inside the as wey dey block road. Sabi say uniform people dem intervention ketu dey be enter for dey throw tear gas only for say make population e run comot, and na so too e dey so according to wetin wey commissioner Mefire e talk say the people dey get right for vex, but no na for vex for lock road for say road na public thing, no be na company wey get light e get that road, so na for say why that they be get for calm use force for move the people dem, and na with tear gas wey dey fire throw away before e dey so the last open road, then people then just now they start for pass for that side, so for Bepanda na boundary for Bepanda and Makepe Misoke. And just for sabi say on top this chapter managing make we enter for the other chapter for see as we population be block road. They be talk say they be block roads on top this side, and sabi say that blocking for road wey they block am one time before they be one come out we company to the local light them to the cam for start for cam fix the light for that side, so for inside Bepanda after we e dey so plenty Benin people then too they be don't lost them cargo. Dr. Ibrahim for Cameroon or for we country all to get for using a force for Axam people they don't shut down for more than 3 weeks 2 weeks light no day.
Mr. Massa Bishop say e be authorized say people get for comot for outside where they vex. I no see who side when people don't vex comot for outside for manifest say no e be too much now when I go carry tear ba
no but they say they block road.
No, they block road. It be normal.
And road na public.
No, na normal thing because if they no block road.
No, na company.
No, Mr. Ambassador. If they no block road, solution no be. But why them two they know say light no there and they be know say they go block road, they no go meet up that people for Sunday say they can't put light.
They say they don't ask them plenty time.
Okay. Now time where they don't block road now, no na them that they don't come for camp put the light. They be when at this time when they made the broke road, because if they no be broke road, they no for even come for day. And I no see why when people they come on now, no one say they come on for spoil something. They don't come on the show say no, we'll not be happy. We don't stay for almost 2 weeks. We'll not get light. We'll not the camper, we'll not the tear gas, carry them all this and it be normal. It not be normal. When I be even can give for come back then the hand, call that people and say immediately we give when I give for come immediately now can't see what the way happen for them. No, when I say when I carry them put them for inside when I truck, start for shoot tear gas, even someone they now they go spend money for hospital, someone they go get wound. It not be normal. Now the best solution that way they don't use some say so that for sure for when I say they don't get life for almost 2 weeks. As they don't do now light that way they can't put them now. It not be correct say me they can't push shoot tear gas. No, when I walk that way they get for Congo. And I be sure say work for police being a for can keep peace. No, when I for can to whip tear gas. Police they be get for come for few now. Call the population say where we back we don't hear what they happen for una. Call the people for Sonena ask them question say what did the pass or call governor ask say but what did the pass almost 2 weeks a whole big town like this one people should run for them where they don't get light. But when people don't overweight them they don't talk tired. Cry tired, no way, no day. The commoner for road broke the road because if they not be broke road, no nothing, no be get for be so. Now no matter where they don't do so.
Okay, so for you be support say the block road.
No, I support say they get for broke the road.
Okay, Ogajan, according to arguments where we put them for before and according to waiting at the court, Commissioner Mefire when I be the head boy for that K2 people them they try for talk say waiting way make them they be get for trade that take us so say roads. No be na public, no be na company where they give light, they get the road. Say yes. If the people they vex, therefore go block na office or that company. Say them they no go come for day. For say they vex. But the one na public road where means say they disturb different people. They say they no be get right. So you buy idea for.
Ambassador, I was going to say, now who they get that public where they be block them?
That's good.
Now Cameroon public no. Now who they suffer for light? Now Cameroonian.
That's good.
Then people then the only cane where they for use them beat Soner now for say they block that road. Okay. Now the only cane that way they be use them. And the cane it don't solve the problem. For Cameroon now say a day when people they never ask something by force they need the gear. Policeman fit stay for office 3 weeks when no get light, it will be happy. Most face fact. It not be happy. Why? Why being a saying uniform people they solve problem for Cameroon when people they start fight for their right? They not been a correct thing. They will make and they will lose value for uniform people there. They say after all, they bad they will come. People they make come. Police them. I be like the way where they act. They no shoot no man. And they no lock no man.
But the tear gas when they shoot at me, even meet up people there, they no be there for road.
Meet up people where they don't be there for road.
So
and not for say according to talk right now for Bafia, we get almost 3 week line not there for Bafia, and this thing be still happen for Bafia. So people for Bafia they come out for road can't see how they will beat them. Carry someone they go turn for yonder. Up to today, so you feel they no fit try again. No one they say Bafia man come out for road stand say block road because they don't cut light for them. Now 3 weeks now for Bafia they don't get light.
Baby, it not be normal. It not be normal. So I appreciate the people there they do block road for Sika say because of that block road where they be block they don't can solve their problem. Now so one time for Cameroon.
Okay, so it means say the road.
You know how many times they don't go for Sonet, then Sonet the answer people they are called when line not they chase Sonet.
No, even if
say the line not be digging.
Even if people they come out say go for Sonet, now see that military they will can't stand for children say they don't get right for enter for private for all this and that.
Yes.
So the best way now say me they stand for road because
the
road now public for all man. No man money play office now.
Yes.
Because when you now go enter now for office they say when I don't book law when I don't go enter for people their office all this and that the best way now public say me they block road and at the big government say may they see into that situation for Bafia. Bafia own situation be worse. 3 weeks today they don't get light.
And you say the last time they come out, they be
and they knock them, they drop come on right for Yaoundé, they carry some other one go right for Yaoundé. Okay. Now people stay in for inside quarter. So it no be normal.
So you want us to make the population do it in that direction?
No, but I talk, you know, Douala and Bafia not be the same. Normally, if it be at Douala, they know for begin do all that thing. So the voices will come on for road.
Our own role now, our own play with the road where they play now for say make with the give information. So maybe company where they local light, they don't hear. Say people them for Bafia 3 weeks, they never get light just now. So maybe if we no be sabi, we don't sabi, maybe we too will surely turn back for they will go do our work as well they do and so that we'll talk. That time maybe we go here fine. We go leave that palaver for light. Thank God say all thing be turned back normal. No person no be sleep straight for that for that thing. We go enter for different chapter just now and we go open palaver for road, country people them. And for inside roads, we go take una talk this road for that side so for Kumba. This road na small pathway, small place where you don't spoil as well the enter for Kaskumba, Cameroon College of Arts and Science. And DO or SDO for inside Meme Division, Shambalen Tundong. It be make waka for different school them. Time way school, it be just start. It will be reach for the road. It be stop in moto. It no be fit for pass. For Sika say the road, it be don't war. It be promise say before school go stand up fine. It go can fix the road or they go talk. May they fix the road. But so now with the ESA contract for fix this road, it don't enter for Kumba 1 Council. But they never also fix the road. There's few picking there they go school. They no be fit for enter for school compound. Moto says where it want pass for day. Poto it don't catch the moto. It don't remain on top. Promise where Ezo began number now already 1 month we don't pass where school starts inside October month. So now the road also there. They say city council no get no nothing for do with the roads, but instead Kumba 1 Council it be already get the contract for on top this road for work on top. Now school government school roads.
Ambassador, I think this way we define federation. So may any man know how they handle his own thing. If na say if power not be the commoner for one place, then the kind thing that need to happen for our country. See Kumba be one of the largest town for Southwest, but see the kind route where they for Kumba. If na say na they be get power for fix that route, then that route not then so. And of course you see na who motor tired for this so. Na do a motor?
No, that one no na do a motor. That na so other person be the enter. Wait, means before school be one start, SO be the one go see as we school
start. But see the road.
Isi I mean no be even pass for the with motor. He leave motor for back worker with foot pass on top.
He worker with foot.
Yes.
Well, Mr. Ambassador, I be sure say now so now which kind of hard person, even which company will go stand from Kumba say one fix that road. No, tell me true. Now, go stand for this.
But we sabi say council get council garage, city council get council garage. Even though no be na them, they get that work. Wait. More try what talking. I sabi say Kumba get council garage.
Yes.
And if Kumba 1 Council na them, they get that contract for do the road. Automatic, they go back city council their caterpillar. Can't open the road. We need to talk about company now just open the road.
Yes, but the one open 1 year power. Your heart go.
No, people they know the Kumba. People they do Kumba. Power no na say now only crazy man go make power place where they fix road. All man they pass for road.
Because I quite remember that road from Bamenda, we don't pass sometimes, see this engine the way they stand for the way they will make road, they don't abandon for them because of our be the pass.
No, Kwakwa not be for people where they make road.
That place now for inside town, for inside town, so no one believes even if you want to be in a how well, the fees also go with uniform people, them they do all corner.
Well, of course, they talk for country talk say it don't pass for back down and talk that because of that one, now you make away they never fix the road. If they will be fine, sometimes they don't fix the road.
Okay, with the prayer say so this also talk one day the people there they take contract for the road, they go fix and so that picking they no go get no problem. We go enter to for another road. This one now for inside Douala here, country people them. The one it consign a road for inside the Bepanda. People there they sabi that Carrefour Mala for inside Bepanda, they go understand what they try for talk. Now road this for inside town, no be exception for a village, as so the talk. Now road for inside town country people them, and the road quota be there before, but just now the quota OH it don't cash am. Now for Sikawa that way we see ho them for all corner water it don't enter, remain for inside plenty of the hold them. Some part for on top the quota the way it don't chop so they hole it don't deep we even Okada it the one pass it the check sense motor themselves make a no talk they hardly pass on this road for that side so for a Carrefour Mala for inside Bepanda for Sikase road it don't chop quota don't chop so they water it don't just turn up for inside and as well the top motor themselves it tight for inside that hole we first will pass on them place it be dey empty but after motor will be it tie hard in a big motor it be one pass on them itself it tight for inside the motor and plenty people they ask na question whether na the city council it get authorized or whether na the council wey Bepanda for under it get right for fix the road but people them for inside that quarter they beg na beg say make they try for campus and na quota that where you don't chop so they place don't job in like a small swimming pool and now for inside town Bepanda side for people there they pass for that side so for Carrefour Mala where they go down for that side for Bepanda San Calisson as well the top when I go sabi this place fine as well the direct and so the people they cry plenty na motor to that way don't tight for inside just so tell we say the roads it don't overwhelm. Douala government delegate be talk say them go do it in they go try for see as we the ego doctor road them I yes na the promise I began time become for office but they like say they road them it don't over too much.
Mr. Ambassador, Bepanda get all problems. Lido they not get them. Rudo they not get them. And God don't help when I say that thing say government delegate, you know they again. I don't start the council and say government delegate, not they again.
Now on top book.
On top book. And the most apply. That one go up and down. We don't start the credit thing for a long time. The most apply say government delegate, not they again. As I talk, but as it must be. So now mayor, they forget that one. For true Mr. Ambassador, that kind of road support for be for inside town like Douala. Second again, if you as a government delegate, when your places no man say you come up Bamenda like me, I will talk say time I will go me back for village, I will came pass over here. You where you be now picking for the ground. You dey see that kind of place so you feel happy. Now the money the jam or now wait the jam Mr. Ambassador.
And no for Banda for Bonaberi, Benda for town for Bepanda. The thing why I make a see for that small lake, no na road spoil again na lake. How the fin name quite I said Bepanda San Calisson. Now why that road don't talk say how when a San Calisson ma be me naked. Now why that kuta it don't come all the all. For the beg that one na town and it may be Cameroon go host African Nations Cup for 2021. May they start fix Douala before that time. Or the only beg.
No, by that time when government they get no they again. At least sometimes something will be fine.
It will be.
Yeah.
All right, we left Palava for roads. We left Palava for roads. We get different topic. We'll go talk on top. Just now, we go enter small now for inside politics. Yes, we enter small for inside politics, and we go talk small on top this Palava for Cameroon Renaissance movement. We sabi say Cameroon Renaissance movement. Professor Maurice Kamto, people the day where they also take them go for court for that side so from Konsamba. Even as when Kunkuma Bisambu book for talk say make they left some people them. We no sabi if that book it be talk now only for left people them where they be there from Ngata for Yawinde. The one way they dey from Konsamba, even as well they know they from Ngata. Court case it be so the pass for inside that side from Konsamba and D-Week. Number 8 day for the moon where they be turned back for court. The people there they be make peaceful waka for on top number 1 day for June. Sabi say they talk say their court case it go show up again now for inside that this week where would the enter so con the people. So just now plenty of them they don't tire, then say they don't confuse whether the commander will be come up for up. It be concerned not only Professor Maurice Kamto with the Levam last week Saturday and the other people them, or it be concerned not all people them where it dey so it dey be a kajem for sake this palava so where it dey pass. Now big question to people they ask them whether this court case it be get right for so continue for whole when Kunkuma be don't sign book for talk say all the people there they be get consigned it don't show them sorry heart, or the book it be concentrate now only the one that they be there for Ngata for Yawende. They never feel understand, so then today they wait for see as the thing will continue for pass.
Ambassador, when you I just say when you catch my mifa, you put her inside. When you pick it, you put her inside basket. When you open basket, you move mommy, you only picking them. I just say by now how Maurice Kamto don't come out, he picking them too, they get to come out. Now I be surprised for me for yesterday that they talk about case court again from Konsamba where people don't talk, say they move all man. Then they be give the number of people they get to move her. Sometimes the one they never be concerned.
List be there, true, but the show say be show sorry for all people them apart from one day they be there from Ngata.
Yes, but why they still keep some people there? So they still carry them for court again.
They want them their own afi talk say them they know they from Ngata. They come out for house go court. They be don't leave them, but they come out for house go court. But they be check say as we they be don't talk say sorry heart, or then they be they consent.
No,
that court case get
even that court case they be get to court the court case may not
of
continue.
course, Mr. Ambassador, not true. Not so you will contribute. I be sure say when the president of the republic don't sign something, say you know want this thing again. Normally, except say it be make that one different. Say it one that say make they move only people where they be there inside prison. Then people where the number first day inside prison, they still go court. That one they different. But if he sign say all that problem where concern Maurice Kamto, say you know one for year again, that means say people from Konsamba they doing a wrong thing. But if he be sign and say may all people where they be there inside prison because of Maurice Kamto problem, they get for commot, that one they different. So as he said, that one will not get for mix something. For me, will not get for mix something. If you sign book say now only people where they don't already inside prison, they get for come all. They don't come all. But if people where they be still there now where they still get the go court, that one they different.
Okay, doctor. If people they still go court, it happens say they don't go put them again. They say you don't fall case, they put you for jail too. Now who will give command there again say they move them?
No, well, I be sure the president of the republic go see what we go do before.
Of course. No. Inside the week, Professor Maurice Kamto be write letter for talk say this even as well they be don't come out them. That one never mean say all thing don't go down. Say don't talk say this also talk, and it talks me they leave a person like Siseku Ayuk Tabe, and it talk plenty thing them on top of this palaver. So don't talk say he never talk say don't tire, and he talk say make the left all the people there they also they from Ngata. And when you hear we become a talk, it shows in a person way he never tire, even as we be there from Ngata, strong be also there for his skin.
Yes, and be going from Ngata now because we be the sick. If you go from Ngata because problem, it be there where they talk say it concern you. Enough give up. Now opposition. No one day enough change for talk say be for government for side for government. Now it will still be opposition. They were yesterday they talk list come on say they move 300 and how many people there?
33.
I be no saying that Sisiko Ayuk and Code and two they will be among. I hear say they don't move Professor Maurice Kamto. I be glad. The next day I be the list. I be open my ear for yesterday. Sometimes they will move Sisiko Ayuk and if code them. So up to now I know here. Or the place they made they move all man where they from Ngata. Ngata not na place where man fi go to stay.
All right.
Mr. Ambassador Bishop say that people for inside prison not being I say they don't thief. No man say they don't do some wonderful bad thing. It being I say they don't show say they don't vex for something for pa. Say pa don't vex for this thing them. If pa too don't she don't now it discover and see say that thing where picking they be talk it be not true, it get for move them outside. And they ever talk say when they want arrange some problem, They no go again for back picking look say now wait to be happen, now wait to be happen. They just arrange the problem immediately. Because Abisho say if president talk say dialogue don't be that dialogue get for mean say all thing get for be dialogue. For me I did plead for President Republic say that are you tabbing them all the group again for release them all that people the way they be take them because some other people that even there for inside that prison they, when you ask them say this problem for Anglophone crisis be na how you know tell you say this thing be na so this thing be na you know anything but you don't find his skin for inside prison
plenty
so plenty they there for so I the plead for president say if we don't sign so other one they remain me finish sign me they move all man more continue for the procedure for that dialogue so they see place where can be so now my own plea that I talk for President of the Republic then go now for side for Maurice Kanto as you don't talk so you know this problem for Anglophone problems and the Maurice Kanto I be sure say get a different quite two different in them so problem for Anglophone it is different problem for Maurice Kanto it is different
all na Cameroonian
all the na Cameroonian
yes.
So Maurice Kanto they fight say if you don't win election they take them then are you tabi them they fight say they get for separate country so it get two different in them so
doctor yes. now finger don't touch shit
yes
they no fit cut the finger they must wash and na wash whether na it be winnow whether na it be winnow or election don already pass.
All right, we go remain for inside this chapter for Norwest and Southwest. We go take una enter just now for Boya. Inside this week too, we'll just finish Sabi say na the weekly national man-to-man talk it be pass. And for inside Boya, now for governor office, we go enter for day just now, or maybe we'll talk this palaver for Sang Milima first. Now one of the things then this way the hot scenes, country people them inside place where they call them say Sang Milima place. It don't the hot scenes Wednesday, Thursday. And we sabi say for that side where they call them say Sang Milima population it come out for vex now for Sika waiting for Sika this palava way it dey so the vex say it dey so they be keys on them combi Okada people them say the keys on the combi and also the keys on the combi they meet up the die body now only after for that side of Sang Milima they don't cut the back for the die body one time they say two people them uniform people they be don't catch one of the people them now so the population they come out for as uniform people then say waiting make them left that one man they don't catch and make they show it to pepper so for Sika that one this order it be there for inside Sang Milima Thursday and Wednesday then on Friday we be pass yesterday Friday SDO and governor they be shidon for crisis in Dongamen for try for talk on top this palava and we hear say uniform people they come out say for Yawinde only for Kangi help for other people they dey for inside the Sang Milima so it be then as some hot thing where it don't really pass for that side of Sang Milima on top palava for insecurity and palava with population want and say they want show their own power on top person with keys on their planes. So we say Sang Milima they don't people they don't cry plenty all the time say Okada people they die all time.
Well Mr. Ambassador question where I want for asking for the because I don't see how they run destroy some people that store destroy all this and like talk say they give for go back I want ask question for them and say if it be happen and say now one of their person don't do this therefore destroy na waiting I be sure say any Cameroonian get for few fine for place where they as a Cameroonians because if they don't wake up now talk say people where they don't do this they get for go they get for destroy all that thing this and that it not be normal. It not be normal. Government get for take work on the hand now for this problem for this issue we don't pass for Sang Milima. Handle and very seriously. So that and but second time that Mr. Ambassador, this very problem be happen for Bafia in between Uwundu them and Awusa them because say one of Awusa man
no one over enter for for tribe palava we just talk the story as the story we want to talk
so all that one government get for handle that situation very seriously. Me not see the control the go so now all now I get for talk of that one.
Okay, Jan, another disorder for inside country, outside the hot people they wake up talk. This one for Sang Milima for south.
Yes,
when we talk south.
Yes, it not be advisable say may one man kill a friend. If the kind thing they happen where they keep by rather than anytime, then they get to defend themselves. But not the best way that they don't already catch person where they don't kill one of their colleague. May they look to where government go do. Though when they catch might not be na 100% say the person they will put it for prison because they will put them for prison today, tomorrow you see. May not the best way that may they look government may take the action because the thing when military they don't say come on Yaoundé, they can't give here for their confidence. Then a very bad situation and a very bad act. If I say how that fire the eye on the hot, may the knocker one time may cool, may no cool.
For me, I expect say na investigation they help for all things. As they don't already catch that one person, so they begin for follow up now the investigation, not right to the last.
How the other people then? If they kill, if near they leave the one now they kill them. They don't feel catch the other one then. No. So as they don't already catch one man, make them ask he friend them place where they sometimes it will name plenty people them.
And they will even be free. Then the one way be there for before now, you know, be again.
Okay, we go finish with this chapter for Northwest and Southwest for inside Boyam. So we'll strive for talk. Sabise the week will just finish and too. For governor office for that side, so for Boya, they be showing some new amber boy them. They be dey them 10 country people them. Boya, as soon as the Siam, it be then a day way place, it be the Waka, we moto them, yellow moto them, say they be there. And for governor office, now for them we go take on enter just now. For talk say it dey so, it be then a one good thing again as we they be the talk for that side so we it is so governor a head boy for commission with the common gun for people them hand it be the show governor some 10 amber boy them according to which we talk with the left gun for that side so for Ndian division na village with Chief Dr. Joseph Diongute he come out chief head for prime minister and head boy for inside we governor and the 10 boy them we say the left gun then they come during that time with this so national man-to-man talk it be the happen for that side for Yawinde. So governor as we turn back the assistant the man way the lookout the group the man way is the lookout the center for side with the boy the left gun they come he take them he can show them for governor plenty people they ask na question why they no be show the boy them face why whether na them or no be na them we will not answer that question but Sabi self say according to two pass na so we two the show for now and Sabi to say this palaver for left gun no be na today start even for the national man-to-man talk they be show we as we are more than 20 of them they be left gun according to Tiwo BDCM for inside Yawinde. So governor Bernardo Calabilai he be talk for them say may they talk for them other come be them with the whole gun say may they leave them they can put them for that center so that they go train them they go forget say they so they be don't fair whole gun question where people they ask them the people there they don't already they enjoy some kind of better place they go ever fit for left gun, come, then the joker she done again. Doctor, we see plenty of them where they be passed for that side for Yawinde, they be show with them, but they ask question one day they be doing this start enjoy some kind of cheer way. Yeah, they get respect for inside that they go fit for left and come. Question.
Now big question that Mr. Ambassador, I be sure say it depends the way they go handle them. I be sure say if they handle them for some wonderful way, they go forget everything. And I think that we want them. Highest thing one time na peace second na the condition where they give for make the peace come because peace no fit come where the good condition no dey na condition will make the peace come and then this boy the way they don't put gun as they don't talk I feel use that one as they don't talk boy the way they don't leave gun come so if they feel really handle them now from the way if we encourage some other one the way they did for bush say make they come out to come. Because if they don't handle them very well, down for bush them, they will come out for country. They don't feel come out.
Okay. Now, Oga Jang, one of the thing them, if you remember fine for national man-to-man talk, at the talk na talk with Kawa Yannick, if you talk wait till we make and they take gun, they say pacha be there plenty. Say people that she don't write exam, they take knowledge on particular people, them plenty question. They now tell me this one day they don't start enjoy some kind of cheer for the side of the day. It go easy for them for left. Then can be normal people then like you and me.
Ambassador, if na true say na them, if true say na them, leave gun, then I declare for them. Only say may they handle them fine. I hear someone be told say be na general capture and destroy. If you get that kind of title, capture and destroy, you leave gun, where you be enjoy your facility. Sometimes if they send the boys then too, they bring it in them. Make government, if truly not them. I did repeat the word, then good and fine. Make government know as they handle them. Okay. And may they encourage them. So that may they go tell their friend and say, place so they now a better. May una two una live and come for join we. No man no be born against say may go tongue grumpy for bush.
No,
Alright.
enjoyment not be even there for them.
Alright.
Enjoyment not there for them.
Okay, we don't enter, we don't touch almost all to we get for talk this afternoon. Make we get a case of person we don't lost. So you will see this picture. The pikin name na Leticia. You see him. His name na Eta Leticia and Mama Benson Etaka. It announce say this is pikin we get that kind of 15 years. It be come out. Say we make it go carry water. And since we come out, he never turn back again for house. So they beg any man where you see this pikin where they call it say Eta Leticia, make it call that number where they for before tele 676-170-849 675-786-226. Now number that, so if you call or you feel bring them for Equinox Tori House. We don't finish Tori for this afternoon. Country people them Tori don't finish. Ogajan, thank you plenty for the short time we take them.
Yeah, thank you also. My people them for Nyan meeting there for my house tomorrow, okay. Sunday, maybe when I hear.
All right.
And while we're there for Sodiko for Mr. Sume this afternoon.
Okay. Dr. Ibrahim, thank you. You work out from.
Thank you very much, Mr. Ambassador.
All right.
People for Femishes, a day, so I salute you plenty.
Say
the way thing with the do then I not forget my technical advisor, Mr. Andy Fomote Jonathan,
right.
with Dr. Stephen Nonki, where they ever give me a good advice.
All right. We thank you plenty. We thank Danny Warenzede. We thank even Varios, Malis, Nadine. If you know before look for morning time for 8 for Sunday, you fit also look me. I go turn back me one with a Tori them on Monday 8 o'clock if Papa God he help.